It's your democratic duty, but still, the letter many of us dread getting in the mail, a summons to serve on a jury. While it is a pillar of democracy, it can also be an inconvenience. It means missing work, finding childcare, and long, oftentimes boring hours in government buildings. But what are the consequences for not going? Is it a crime in Alabama? Let's verify. Over the weekend, we interviewed a traveler whose flight out of Huntsville International was delayed as a result of the government shutdown. They were in a hurry to get home. They have two young daughters and who had school today, and the mother had jury duty. Which got us thinking, what happens if you miss jury duty because of something completely out of your control, like your trip home getting delayed because of flight cuts? Is it a crime to miss jury duty in Alabama? We verify. Our sources are LATIF and LATIF PC and alicourt.gov. According to LATIF and LATIF PC, a law firm based in Mobile, a jury summons is a legal requirement to appear in court. If you fail to appear in court, an order to show cause is issued by the judge, requiring the person to appear in court to explain why they shouldn't hold the person in contempt. If you are found in contempt of court, you can be fined up to $300 and serve up to 10 days in county jail. However, if you appear and offer a reasonable explanation for why you failed to appear in court, the judge may dismiss the charges. What if you can't serve jury duty because of a scheduling conflict? Can you be excused from duty entirely? No, the state of Alabama has no exemptions from jury service. You can request a postponement to a later date, but you cannot be made exempt from jury duty. What qualifies as a legitimate reason for postponement? The Alabama Code provides specific grounds under which a prospective juror may be excused from service, which are categorized into three main areas: undue or extreme physical hardship. Certain physical conditions can incapacitate a person, making it impractical to participate in jury service. This includes situations where serving would exacerbate an existing illness, but these claims must be substantiated with appropriate documentation such as medical records or a written note from a doctor. Financial hardship. This includes scenarios where jury duty would result in significant financial strain, such as the inability to pay for essential needs. However, absence from work does not itself constitute financial hardship. You must provide documentation to support these claims. Public necessity. This category encompasses situations where a person's role is critical to public safety or welfare, such as emergency workers. But there is a certain protocol you must follow to be dismissed under these exemptions. You have to submit a formal request to the court, along with relevant documentation supporting your claim in advance of your scheduled appearance. Even if your request is approved, this does not mean you're permanently exempt from serving. It only applies for up to 2 years, after which you may be called upon for service again. So, we can confirm that yes, missing jury duty can be a crime if the proper procedures are not followed before or after your missed appearance. Ultimately, it is largely left to the discretion of the judge whether your excuse is valid. If you have something you want us to verify, text us at 256-382-2692.